Hello everyone, this project is based on the NREGA data analysis. Let us start with the introduction. This project delves into the analysis of data related to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is NREGA, a transformative government scheme aimed at providing rural households with guaranteed wage employment opportunities. The dataset used for this analysis encompasses a wide range of parameters, including the number of job cards issued, the workforce engaged, budget allocation, work completion statistics, and much more. Through the application of data analytics techniques, we aim to gain valuable insights into the implementation and impact of NREGA across different states and districts in India. So the first KPI is on effectiveness of NREGA in providing employment opportunities to the rural households. Here we can see that we have used various visuals and also the card visuals. And from the first one, that is about top 10 states by count of total number of active workers. Here at 75, Uttar Pradesh had highest count of total number of active workers and was 3650% higher than the Puducherry, which had lowest count of total number of active workers at 2. The Uttar Pradesh had the highest count of total number of active workers at 75, followed by Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Puducherry has the lowest count of total number of active workers at 2. Across all 10 states, count of total number of active workers ranged from 2 to 75. Here we have used cards like active job cards, active workers, and job cards issued. And another visual is on a pie chart based on percentage of differently abled persons by top 10 states. The next KPI is on regional disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme. Here the first visual is based on SC and ST workers against active workers. Here the dark blue color indicates the count of SC workers and the light blue color indicates the count of ST workers. The next visual is based on the states by average days of employment provided per household. Here we have used top 5 states. And the next visual is based on the completion rate by states. Here we have used map visual. Next KPI is based on the utilization of allocated budget. Here we have used the funnel chart. It is on average of approved labor budget by top 10 districts. Here we can see that Ganjam is the top district among the average of approved labor budget, and Belgavi is the least in top 10 districts. The next KPI is on the key factors contributing to the completion of NREGA works. Here we have used two visual. One is based on the sum of number of completed workers and sum of number of ongoing works by state name, and another one is of sum of percentage expenditure on agriculture and agriculture allied works by percentage of category B works. Here 0 had the highest count of states at 22, followed by 5 and 1, which tied for second at 5. 0 accounted for 2.97% of count of states. Across all 670 number of completed works, count of states ranged from 1 to 22. The next KPI is on scheme's impact. Here we have used two visual. The first visual is a scatter plot based on expenditure category versus number of households worked. And the next visual is based on NRM expenditure distribution. Here we have used pie chart for the sum of percentage of category B works and the sum of percentage of NRM expenditure. Here the dark green color indicates the sum of percentage of category B works, which covers around 39K of sum, that is 66.83% of the total sum, and light green color indicates the sum of percentage of NRM expenditure, that is around 19.55K. Approximately around it is 33% of the total sum. This is the final dashboard. We have used various visuals as well as we have given card visuals for total number of workers, for number of households completed 100 days of wage employment, and also for the number of completed works. So let us see the conclusion of our project. Across all 10 district names, the average of SC % days ranged from 4,33,000 to 39,08,000, and average of ST % days ranged from 1,59,000 to 1,23,43,000. Average of all 10 district names, the average of SC workers against active workers ranged from 1,52,000 to 5,87,000, and average of ST workers against active workers ranged from 2,600 to 1,66,000. Across all 10 district names, the average total number of active job cards ranged from 5,14,000 to 7,78,000, and average total number of job cards issued ranged from 6,42,000 to 12,35,000. Across all 10 district names, the average total number of active job cards ranged from 2,73,000 to 5,10,000, and average total number of active workers ranged from 5,96,000 to 8,30,000. Across all 10 district names, the average total number of ongoing works ranged from 25,000 to 93,000, and average total number of active workers ranged from 1,74,000 to 11,59,000. Thank you.